Hi everybody, this is Nelson Chow and we meet again in this video, and today I would like to talk about the 4 advantages of social media marketing for your small, medium enterprise or your small business. Now just because you have a small business and a small beginning doesn't mean that needs to keep you small-minded. In fact, if you play it right, social media marketing has huge potential to blow up your businesses to countless number of potential customers out there who are simply not aware that you exist. Right, so let's get right into it. First advantage is social visibility. What that means is through the social media, you are able to increase your visibility exponentially. People who are not aware of you in the past will now be aware of you because of this technology. Right? Because of internet, you can be everywhere at the same time. And that is good news for you, your brand, and your products and your services. Because it means this is the fastest way for you to put yourself out there, to be discovered by your potential customers, and for you to be able to update your current customers in terms of your products and your services. And you can be doing this with customers from all around the world. So because you are now everywhere, you do not need to be afraid that you are being too pushy or being too salesy with your messages. Because you have this online presence and you are continually building a relationship with your current customers and with those who are going to be your customers in the future. And because of that interactive relationship between you and your customers, you have this rapport, and therefore when you sell them something eventually, it will not appear as something that is pushy or something that is too salesy. Okay, second thing is social equity. What is meant by social equity is this. Right now, the most important thing on the online platform is attention. Attention now is the new currency. What is meant by that is people's attention span is getting shorter and shorter. You probably heard it right, that people's attention span is now shorter than that of a goldfish. And a goldfish attention span is only like 9 or 10 seconds. So you can imagine now when people are on social media now, they tend to scroll up their page, and if it's not something that's interesting to them, if nothing is interesting enough to stop them on their track, you are going to be very quickly forgotten. Right? So social media marketing is a place where you want to capture people's attention and retain their attention. Right? So social equity is the second advantage if you play the social media marketing game right. And the way you do this is by giving high quality contents and by keeping on giving value to your audience and to build rapport with them over time. The more relevant, the more useful the information that you are giving to your audience, the higher your equity is going to be. So the name of the game is give and you shall receive. Gone are the days when you think that you can just ask for something and your audience is going to give it to you. Now the new game is you need to give first before you earn the right to ask. Right? What I mean by that is you need to continue to give and give and give high quality value and contents to your audience. And by doing that, you are building relationships with them, you are establishing trust and credibility with them, and over time, because of these relationships that they have with you, the law of reciprocity is going to kick in. Right? The higher your equity is going to be in the eyes of your audience, when you ask them for the sale, it is going to be much, much more easier. Number 3 is social networks. Okay, because of online marketing, the game has totally been changed. You do not need to restrict your marketing effort to your geographical area anymore. There is now practically unlimited amount of people that you can reach. Right? There is an opportunity for you now to get to know more and more people out there. And because you are doing this online, it also means that you are no longer limited by time and space. Okay, you can basically reach anyone from any part of the world. Okay, you can create connection with them wherever they are. You can build a community around a certain interest that they have, and eventually you can introduce your products and services in a way that can serve them on a higher level. The more exposure that you have to this global community of networks, the more opportunity that you are able to get your next clients, your next customers, or even JV partners. Number 4 is social credibility. When you continue to take the time to build rapport and relationships with your audience, what will happen is you are going to build a certain expertise and a certain authority figure over your niche. And when people think of your brand, they think of you. All right, they think of a certain quality or a certain brand image. This will not be possible if people do not know you exist in the first place. That is the reason why having an online presence is so important. Because if you are able to build credibility over time, honesty and trust, this is huge in terms of helping people to make a buying decision. When people trust your brand, when they feel good about what your brand represents, they're going to continue to be engaged with all your contents. And when you sell them a product and a service, they are going to actually take you on your offer. So continue to build your authority and your credibility by adding values to the lives of your audience. And more relationships and more credibility just simply means more influence and more income for you in the long run. And there you have it. I hope that this has served you. Those are the 4 advantages of doing social media marketing for your small business. So I hope that you have gotten values out of this. And please write on the comment box below if any of these 4 strategies really strike a chord with you. If you have tried social media marketing before, have you failed? Have you succeeded? Share with me on the comment box down below. Okay, I will take the time to actually read through all the comments and reply all the comments as much as I can. All right, if you like a video just like this, be sure to hit the thumbs up button. Also, if you have not done so, to subscribe so that you get more videos just like this. Hope that you have a great week ahead. Till we meet again on the next video.